Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Naaz Ali Vlog and Recipes. Today's vlog is actually not from today, it's from the Dasara holidays. You know how busy we get with family during holidays, right? That's why I couldn't eat it earlier, but finally I am sharing it with you now. That morning, after a quick breakfast at mom's place, the kids went downstairs to play. Meanwhile, mom brought fresh pomfret and silver biddy fish. The best part is that she gets them right near her flat itself, so no need to travel far. I told her let's make dal with pomfret fry today. She agreed happily. Before frying the fish, let's quickly prepare a simple dal. Heat 2 teaspoons of coconut oil in a pressure cooker. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, and 5 to 6 garlic cloves. Saute until fragrant. Next, add 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, and 2 to 3 sliced green chilies. Add salt to taste and mix well. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and saute nicely. For the dal, I used mix of tur dal, masoor dal and moong dal. I already washed and ready. Add them into the cooker with 1 glass of water. Add some fresh coriander leaves and give it a mix. Close the lid and cook for 3 whistles. That's it, our comforting dal is ready. Perfect to enjoy with hot rice and the crispy pomfret fry. Now, let's marinate the fish. First, slit the pomfret on both sides so the masala can coat inside properly. In a plate, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and some curry leaves. And add half lemon juice. Add little water and mix well to form a thick masala. Coat each fish thoroughly. Make sure the masala goes inside the slits. Keep aside for a few minutes. Heat coconut oil on a tawa. Place 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Place the marinated pomfret gently and fry on medium flame. Cook both sides until golden brown and crispy. Look at that perfectly fried pomfret, crispy outside and soft inside. So now both the dal and fish fry are ready. We all sat together and enjoyed the meal with hot steamed rice. Simple, homely and so satisfying. In the evening, my husband suggested we visit my sister-in-law's house in Shirva Manchakall. Since my mother-in-law was also there, On the way, we saw Dasara celebration, so many stalls and even newly opened temple. The roads were busy, full of lights and vehicles, so I captured some quick shot to share with you. At my sister-in-law's home, I didn't record clip inside because there were guests already and I wanted to respect everyone's privacy. Still, we enjoyed coffee, snacks, and later dinner. The kids had a great time playing and even insisted to stay overnight. On our way back to mom's house, we stopped at A1 shop to pick up a few essentials. The streets were glowing with beautiful lights, make the night feel extra festive. And that was our Dasara holiday vlog. Simple dal, crispy pomfret fry, family time, and little glimpses of the celebration outside. I hope you enjoy watching this vlog as much as we enjoy living it. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Naaz Ali Vlog and Recipes for more family vlogs and recipes. Inshallah, I will see you soon with another recipe. Until then, Allah Hafiz.